It's late time already, but our work going on. And this going on. Yes. After some times, I can show you everything what happened with this room. Our work going on. Now we will see what already we have, what it was done for these days. Look, it's our room. It was painting. It was this element of design here. Continue on painting. Continue on this corner. Until now it's work not stop. With beautiful, we change color. It will be new gold color like this. Also we put gold color, little more it's need. One more time we put here. After this corner, also this corner start. Yeah, here it's was complete painted and plants, some sculpture and Buddha and Christ, everybody, because got one these plants. And you remember this box I showed last time? Now inside it will be. So we continue. We are continuing our work again till it will be ready, and we will be waiting our wellness center. So we are continuing our work. It's our easy stone, Dicky. Yes, this all we did, and work continue here. Yes. After that we go in this room and slowly start here. Yes. Now I don't know what is it. Just started. All this room and this wall like this now, but we will see after sometimes. It's already a little dark. They almost finished, but our work continues. This room, and now main part start here. It will be something interesting. We will see what it will be there after work. Chikusha, good assistant, good helper, my boy. Our work continue. It's night time. You can see everything continue. And after some time, I will show you.